What a gorgeous day to enjoy your morning coffee outside. The first level of this home is perfect for entertaining with its open concept layout, great sized kitchen. In the wintertime, you have a gas fireplace. In the summertime, there's a whole separate entrance with a giant mudroom. Everybody's looking for a first floor bathroom, and this house has it. Better yet, it just got completely renovated. This front porch is perfect. We're coming home after work, having a drink, just relaxing by the ocean. Who is that? Hey, keep it down there. Hey, listen, the porch is great, but you gotta come check out these views. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. I'll be right up. As you come upstairs, you will find your other beautifully renovated bathroom. All the hardwood floors on this level have been refinished. We have 2 secondary bedrooms, and then we enter a den, which leads up to one of the coolest primary bedrooms you have ever seen. Guys, this is not your grandmother's Cape-style, second-story, slanted bedroom. This is Winthrop by the sea, 10-foot ceiling. I'm looking at the ocean bedroom. Hey, you made it. Wasn't I right about this view? This view is incredible. Okay, grab a seat, let's have a drink, relax for a little bit. Yeah, how great is this location? Ocean right over there, you can feel the breeze, you know? What do you think is the best part about living in Winthrop? One of my favorite parts about being in Winthrop is the beach is 2 minutes away. You got a great downtown area with restaurants. There's an awesome coffee shop right on Main Street that is perfect for getting our coffee. And you're 6 miles to Boston. Anything else that I missed? Yeah, man, this ocean breeze, water. Life doesn't get any better than this. That's it.